My channel, and now I am need download driver apps on WorkForce Pro. This here the serial you looking, and you type the driver download driver download. Okay, and please wait. I am search the official website. I am like the official website and official website for the first download, and this here the two official website and epson.co.uk and epson.ua and click the epson.co.uk. Click this here and this white website loading, and this here first loading and driver not a virus. It's like a system, not a system operation. Click here and this here detect system operation Windows 8. This video you need download driver Windows 11. Click here and this here the Android system operation and Chrome OS and Chrome operating system and iOS operating system and Linux operating system and Mac operating system. This here the new Mac driver, Mac operating system for Mac Big Sur, Mac 12 and Mac 11, and two new driver. And you scroll down this here the for the Windows 8 and Windows 11. I need download this here the Windows 11 and this here the Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows XP. This here the drive. Okay, this here the Linux operating system. This video you need download Windows 11. Select the system operating system for Windows 11. Click here and click button go. And please wait. What landing page loading. Okay, this here scroll down again. This here the setup product. This click here. This here the setup product for the you before the low version. You up the version and you're up the for Windows 11 driver. Okay, this is the driver away. This is the driver print away. This is the print not scanner. Okay, this is the driver print away and driver the for the scan to USB. This is the driver support for the universal driver. This I have recommendation for you. This the here universal print driver. This is the at standard quality print mode with smile full jet and standard quality print mode. And this here the here and this is the firmware. This is the firmware update quick field. This video I'm sorry. This video I need download it on universal print. Then click here. Click here. This here the driver download. Driver download. If your need install driver for the printer, you turn on the for printer. You put cable printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the printer. Okay, driver detect automatic for the printer. If you need install driver for the print for the Wi-Fi, I'm sorry for the Wi-Fi, and you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi, and you search the IP driver, and your please write the finish driver download, and you run as driver user IP driver. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support. Love you guys.